Malva neglecta at the very end of the weed patch. If you look around, there's nothing happening in these beds. But there's mallow. So here we go. Here is your Malva neglecta mallow. And this plant is more nutritious than any vegetable in your refrigerator. It's got all kinds of trace minerals, vitamins, and it's very mucilaginous, so it heals. It's very soothing and cooling and healing to the entire digestive tract. Now, you can take these leaves. These leaves look perfect. You know, you're not going to go for like these old dried up leaves right here. But you're going to take these leaves and you're going to mince them and you're going to put them in your salads. And you can get the little tiny leaves like this, you know, or you can get the bigger leaves. But it's got a pretty strong mucilaginous quality, and so you don't want to take big bites. You actually want to mince it into small pieces like this. Or you could come and gather up a bunch of these leaves and dry them. And then once the leaves are dried, you can powder them. And then you have a great green powder for your smoothies and your green drinks and your protein powders. This plant is, again, really high chlorophyll, high in B vitamins, calcium, magnesium, potassium. That's just a perfect, it's got a good iron content. So I love to dry and powder the leaves and then just put that powder in my smoothies and in my protein drinks. But really, it's the weed that everybody just kind of pulls out. And you know, it's like, again, it is such a highly nutritious plant. And if you can see here, you can actually see the flowers. You see these little flowers? And one of the common names for this plant is cheese wheel. And you can see why. These little seeds, they look kind of like little cheese wheels. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they have these little cheese wheel, and these are the seeds. And so one of the common names is cheese wheel. As you can see these little cheese wheel seeds here. Yeah, and so here's the flower. The flower is edible, also mucilaginous, healing to the gastrointestinal tract. And again, I just love the weeds, right? You don't even plant them and they just show up. So it's one of my favorite weeds. So here's your mallow, and asante, to your health. Eat your mallow.